Welcome to the Late Night Show. We love you. Love you. Finish. Love you, belly full. Another opportunity to say Happy New Year for those people that will never wish Happy New Year to. Happy New Year to everybody. And welcome to correct week of success, of favor, of plenty of correct things, of testimony, of upliftment, of new beginning, of every. Hey. It's mental spirit yet. Okay. Because we need it to turn the table. Because it's mental spirit now. We're not going to hear music again for the show. So please remain in the physical. Please help us to run the show. All right, so now welcome. How everybody weekend take go? This one a new week we don't enter so, and yes, now our Ginger Monday be this, the day we will tell everybody some kind of making sense things. We go drive them throughout the full year. In fact, the month and of course the full year. All right, so now welcome again. I'll be your boy as usual, Michael, but they call me Ogbolo. Yes, thank you. My humble self. It's a player. And of course, on the wheels of steel.
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
All right, so actually, now look we get most of you to do this thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can look like, see, that time it was small. Uncle God, give me my last part. Again, another one. Bang, it's a miracle. Bang, gang, bang. Bang. You got like, we can't tie rope for a year. We can't do warrior. That warrior with that one for wrestling. All about the form say, forget it. We get the Moscow. We get the nothing. When I did for body school, because they do social nights where we. Okay. So now with the MCM for body school, I hear, and now with the MCM. And I hear night Timberland, big jeans, and Fubu. T-shirt, Fubu, Durag. That I hear everything they rain. I was wear singlets. And they wonder what I get for body. Why they always wear singlets? Till now they wonder. I can't wear singlets. I can't wear big jeans. I can't deform. Ladies and gentlemen, holla me. What? Yeah. And they wonder, say, what I get for that body? Why they supposed because they're still in. I got the one at that time. I could not drive finish that time for body school, no they chop. So now ribs they go to see for this. Oh blood. But any which way we are in this talk business. So una welcome. Oga Banjo will follow us today on top of the show today to teach us some kind of brain. The year just starts. More just assume say 2015 no happen. You know, plus all the teaching we'll teach last year. So we'll go quickly now for one break. We'll come back and then we'll continue on top every concern the late night show. Right. All right. So with the comeback. All right, Coco number one. Bagari. Now, actually, you get like 3 Coco for here, but one Coco is very, very confusing. All right. In fact, the supposed Coco number one, it confused me. All right. Don't confuse somebody anyhow. So I will jump to Coco number two. Coco number two.
So you didn't leave him?
I leave him. You got confused. The man they say go rape person. Okay. Actually, the way the gist go, they say person rape the girl. The girl don't know who the person be. Okay. But she can't sleep. She can't dream say one the guy rape her. Okay. She can't wake up and say that the guy will rape her be this, and she know that person face for dream. Okay. Because that the person will rape her for physical be that person. Okay. They gonna arrest the guy. After they say he go to prison for 48 years, he don't spend 28 years. Now they don't he don't spend 28 years already. Now they don't come back 28, my brother. Now they don't come back and say he black him don't be him do the thing. I don't even understand the whole gist again. They just confuse person for this place. Yeah? But men may not be so.
Hey!
28.
God, I beg you.
The wrong identity not be your portion.
Not a lifetime, oh.
What you remain again? 28 years. But more leave that word. Make I jump to the second one I thought I won't read. Now, please make people be very, very careful. Now, beginning of the year be this, and many people under the name of spirituality go on use that particular means take bar people. And some people they want to like come and pray for me. Come and pray for me. Come and pray for me. Wonderful pastors there outside there, true. You understand? Wonderful people of God they're outside there. Whether na imam, whether na afa, whether na any the people there when they do the thing good, they're there outside. But the bad ones they see there. Now you as a person go need to say okay. Now God give us spirits too to they check spirits. You know whether this one pure for you. Once some kind is on the enter some kind level where you know right for your eye.
Suppose they sense.
Suppose just know. All those one they talk say pastor go sleep with person. Or some kind men of God them.
They tempt them, they can't do the wrong thing.
I mean, I don't know, you say suppose just know say you're not pure. And I follow you talk this thing now, some people they do them.
Yes, no, they don't. They're going to buy into the idea. Then later they'll call it complaint.
People don't idolize men of God these days. But for this gist, 25-year-old company driver, 25-year-old guy, they pay him 60K monthly.
Okay.
In normal work, you know how in normal routine they be. You understand? Okay. Go here, go pick person, go drop here. He said one day just they drive, go airport, so they said I'm making go pick some kind of clients in your company. As they drive, they go now. Next thing just get one call. Okay, now one from house, they call them for one thing. Second call come. In pastor, what are you doing, young man? They carry my office bus, they go airport, so I want go pick person, and I carry some hand pass for you, I go to deliver, give somebody else. Carry that bus, come my church. Bring the bus now, come my church. He say it be like who they use juju for.
Who they command.
He just turn motor. Start to the face, go pastor church. He reach there, bring the car key. Waiting there inside, hamper. That's not 24 too.
In a police.
See where pastor turn to police. Bring it. Carry up. They can't say they can't use the motor to send them one kind waka or something. And then police. Meanwhile, they don't find the guy you. Now the police come, bam. After plenty talk, office don't they find this guy. Don't they say where in the they can't send police to say okay, now the motor be this, so the person with the driver and be this, they can't catch him. Last night they don't catch him now, say okay, Oga, you are a thief of a motor. Company motor.
No, the pastor can't move.
No. They can't send them one kind of waka with the boss or something.
Okay.
When you for talk say you define you want get church boss. Which one you can't they go they use person to go they buy in church to say okay make them abba. And many people they use say God said. Meanwhile the God not talk but God said. But some people suppose they don't. He say no say the thing wrong somehow, but you don't know see the picture. He say no say the thing wrong somehow, but you don't know take on the user. Because like say they use juju for him.
Toyota.
Don't go carry bus, go there, do different things, one thing. Because use the bus send one kind of message, one thing, till police come catch him. He say no confuse explain, no nothing to tell police.
And he can't confuse.
He can't confuse. Say pastor make carry bus come, instead carry bus go. Say no can't know nothing they happen. But trust our police. They no send your spiritual confusion.
Your fagbon.
They no send your, if you like spiritually confused, they go slap, reformat your head.
They will physically arrange you.
They go physically arrange your spiritual confusion. Bah! Oh yeah, okay. No need to write statement. You already are a statement.
Yeah, a statement.
You understand? So, but very, very importantly, I beg, because as the matter be, people they fall into this kind of thing on a regular.
Very well.
Especially now year don't start. Oh, to be blessed this year.
This year.
Even though I be person way they very, very into so you know, that one day. But say they cajole you to do some kind of wrong things.
We not follow.
To collect blessing.
Easy.
Even God no go tell you to do that kind of thing. So you say check yourself. You check yourself. Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the coco.
Now, still based on this dupery and where people they do people. This one 65-year-old man, 65 years old man. He can't they disguise like say him be major general. True that means he can't they job people.
Voila.
Major general go say you know, and you say you get the kind of respect they give all these kind of people. Men don't wear uniform before.
Don't wear uniform before.
You know, and all those kind of levels. So you go to look say okay say he's trustworthy.
He's sabi.
One thing. The guy don't do 419 for people plenty. One time he formed saying sick for one kind thing. Meanwhile, one other person wey sabi and we just know recently as Major General, he can't bring out an ID card and say, look, that's me. You know, I served this country for many years. He's saying sick, saying he need like 40K, I mean 45K to take arrange himself for the sickness. Before they do, the person can say, saying go pay back. Now I can say, okay, now Major General, make I just help out. And now I say, go borrow 40,000.
First way, give him.
You don't see Major General again.
Lava.
Another person come again and say, Major talk say some people they need supply of rice.
Lava.
Plenty.
Labor.
Say you they sell bag of rice. I will say yes, it's okay. Bring Thierry. Make I go show them a sample. See Major.
Hey, money, eh?
Major your pose. He say, man, now we day here. Now we day here.
Why they accusing me wrongly?
Why they call? He say, man, go show them a sample. From there, that's so Major move with 3 bags of rice. But we are in fact can't lay cook egg where everything can't get spoiled for her. They can't finally catch him when he try to dupe somebody else. You some people too sharp. Some people too sharp. May you be sharp this year.
Yeah.
Some people too sharp. Now look at Major General. One thing, don't do plus and minus. Now they nab the guy. Bam. Before police have hold on for work, say, yeah.
You be trending, Baba.
But I trend. But most importantly, for today cocoa of the day, based on the gist we don't talk just now, make everybody they very careful. Now New Year be this. The people go on from buying tactics. You guys to be very sharp. You said you have to
be on the bar alert.
Yes. You have to easy bit just now. You have to wake up your bar alert. You must be, alertly unbuyable. Alertly unbuyable. You understand? This year, they don't go use your head though. You said you go sharp. Because most of when they talk, say make people no use person head. Person when they use their head itself. You said you don't be done now. Now so you said you need wisdom this year. So play with wisdom. And it means it's spiritual self. It means they check spirits. All right? So ladies and gentlemen, now the cocoa of the day be that one. Anybody? If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.